In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your very own affiliate system with a no-code tool called make.com within WordPress using Elementor, Airtable, and a simple Stripe account. You could use this affiliate system to make money online, getting other people to promote your or your clients' physical, digital, or even services. So either build this for yourself or sell it onto your client and make money online. So what I'm going to be showing you is the following. First of all, I'm going to show you what our affiliate pages look like on the website. So on the left here, you can see our pages. I'll take you through all of them step by step in a minute. After that, I'm going to show you the affiliate program backend. So what the provider of the affiliate program sees. So that would be the emails and the data sheets. And I'm going to show you the tools that you'll need if you can't be bothered to follow along and you just want to import this straight into your make.com account. Just comment the word affiliate down below. Just the word affiliate, and we'll send you the link straight over where you can get all the files from. Just import or download and then import them straight into your make.com account. Then connect you want your own Stripe account connected and your own website, and then it should work. And then the final step is I'm going to show you what the automations are doing in the background. So I'm going to take you through the 4-step process that this whole automation consists of. So let's get started of becoming an affiliate. This is what our affiliate page looks like. We've set it up within our makeitnocode.com /affiliate website. First, I'm going to show you what we're offering. You can set this up the way that you want to. We have chosen to go for a recurring. Our automation actually offers you to change from recurring to a one-off payment. So if you've got a high ticket offer, like I don't know, something of 10,000, you can't offer a recurring. If you've got a low ticket, we're offering $29 per month, and then we're offering 40% of that. So that would be $11.60. But we do that for the first 50 clients. So the first 50 clients within our community. So if we go up from 50, we increase the price to 39. And that we take our affiliates with us. So for the lifetime of the client, any affiliate that is associated with us gets paid monthly for bringing in the clients. So you can offer this whole system to your clients, or you could actually use it within your own e-com website, selling your digital products or your whatever you're selling. So this is just how we've done it. As an example, this is not set in concrete. You can just edit the way you want this page to be set up. Okay, so what we're doing in Elementor, we've set up a basic form, and we've let the form go as an endpoint to a mail hook, and I'll show you that in a second. So I'm just going to fill this in. So I'm going to put in my alter ego, which is Scrap Pusher. No idea why I have that. I chose this name when I was like 10. scrappusher@gmail.com. So that's my Gmail account. That's where all my spam goes. How do you plan on promoting us? I'm going to say TikTok Shop USA. Yeah. So these are the things that a potential affiliate will have to fill in. They can choose their username, what will be shown up in the URL at the top. So it will show make it no code referral ? And then it will say your name or 123 or whatever you put in there. So I'm going to say Scrap Pusher. What is my Instagram name? I'm going to put in at Scrap Pusher at TikTok. And then do I have any other socials? No, I do not. Okay, before I hit send, I'm just going to show you what it could do. So we have 4 parts for this automation. The first part being affiliate registration. So that's what we're working on right now. So we're taking the info from the form and we're sending it off to our Airtable. So this is what our Airtable looks like. We've set it up as we've got 3 tabs here: influencer, test affiliate, and the payment details. And I'll get to all of these in a second. I'm just quickly showing you what it looks like. Yeah. So that's the first automation that it runs. After that, we get an email and we'll be told that there's an affiliate who wants to be affiliated with us or wants to run the promos for us. Check out their details. So we do that and then we hit approve. Let me just show you how that works. So let me register. So I'm pretending to be an affiliate right now. And in the meantime, we will be receiving, we're receiving an email saying Scrap Pusher wants to be an affiliate for us. This is their email, blah, 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 blah. And if I check our database, so we've set up a Airtable database here, and it shows all the stuff associated with this this person. So they've already been generated, they've already been given their own referral link, which is unique to everyone. We can see their URL, their TikTok, check them out. You're working with people who might be they're spamming your affiliate link all over the internet. I don't think you'd like to have people like that working with you. So that's why we put in this manual step. How you want to do this, you could automate it that it gets approved automatically. We're choosing for the manual step. After we've approved it, I'm just going to check my other email, because in the meantime now, there will be a confirmation email. So a webhook from that Airtable will be sent through, and then an email will be sent out to, in this case, it will be Scrap Pusher. And then there we go. Scrap Pusher, you've been accepted to the affiliate program for Make It No Code. Here's your unique link. That's the one I was telling you about. Let me first show you that. So this is actually the link that they will be needing to use to promote us as a business. There's me again. So what we're doing here is we've got a landing page and people can sign up here for $29. I'll go through this one later on. I just want to get back to the email. You will be able to monitor your signups and payouts in the Airtable interface. And you get prompted to click on that one, and that looks like this. I'm just going to sign up for this, scrappusher@gmail.com. And then it looks like this. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is how an affiliate would track their leads, their commissions, and their signups. You could have like 100 leads, so you've put strategically placed your links in the promo that you promised you would. You can see like you've got 100 leads, so 100 people have clicked on the lead, and from that you've had one sign up. That's how it works. That's how your affiliate could track this. So let me just go back to our automations. So what did we have? We had 4 automations. So we've done the affiliate registration. That was the sign up form, which came from WordPress. Elementor signs it off to a mail, or sends it off to a mail hook, then sends it off to Airtable. So, and then after that, it sends an email. We get an email saying, confirm this person, have a look at what they're doing, how are they planning to promote you, etc. And after they're confirmed, this is where the magic happens, because that we want an affiliate to be promoting us. So remember that website that I said that I was going to come back to? That was this one. This is our promotional page. So I'm going to show you now what it would look like. Someone's watched our promo video. Okay, they're convinced. Now I'm going to put in just a name, hello, and then I'm just going to fill this in, and then I'm going to submit it. And then you'll see that this person can actually buy our monthly course. Our course is $29 a month. And again, the commission is 40% of that to the person running the affiliate. So a Scrap Pusher in this case. So $29. Let me just fill this in. Okay, so I filled it in. I'm just going to submit this. There you go. It says, thank you for your payment. $29 has been paid. Now let me just go back to my influencer account. So I've had a sign up. There we go, it works. Now, the only other thing that we're asking for the affiliates, you'll be able to input your bank details, and this is quite an important one. So if I were to click on this, I would have to put in my bank details. After all, your affiliate wants to get paid. And where are they getting paid to? So I'm just going to put in, and then I'm going to hit submit. And now what you see, it's already submitted it. HSBC, Scrap Pusher. So I've got all the bank details where we can make the payment. So that is how our affiliate works. So it registers, it confirms the email with access to the email program. So we're doing that manual check that we did in our Airtable. I'm going to show you that one more time. Manual check. Oh, by the way, if you've liked this video so far, please hit the like and subscribe. It really helps me and it really motivates me to make more videos like this. Yeah, just like and subscribe. So I ran through that one, I ran through this one, then this part of the automation, this is the third part C. It's actually grabbing a piece of a webhook. That will be a webhook that's associated with this one here, this form. And then after that, it sends it off to Airtable again. It searches the records and it creates a record based on all the values that we put in. So in this case, it's a name and an email. And after that, we go on to the final automation. So someone's actually submitted the payment. So that's the payment I just showed you. So someone's paid. and we track that, or we update their record in their Airtable. So this is our whole automation. 4 parts, quite simple. You can customize it the way you want. We've just set it up to be a very, very basic version of a proper working affiliate system. Edit it the way you want. If you want to learn more on automation, and especially AI and AI automations, head over to our school community, or just comment the word affiliate down below and we'll send you the link straight over. I hope to see you inside of our school community, and until next time, bye bye.